Okay, now our technician is pulling the zipper into the machine. So press start. At first you should wind the zipper slowly. And then speed it up. When the zipper is pulling like this way，
反过去没有，
它没有啊？
反过去没有，
它这个不会停的吗？
反过去是不停，就是碰到这边或者没有带
啊，
就打结的话卷到这里才会。
When this is the zipper is unlocked like this, the machine will stop automatically. Or this situation is without zipper. Okay. So let's start the machine again. And this calculator is made to your order. It's by meter. So now we already set up the length is 100 meter per row. When the row reach 100 meter, the machine will stop automatically.